Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add brushes in Photoshop. So first step, you need to search here brushes for Photoshop, hit enter, and you need to open the first website. You can find any other website also, but I'm going to show you. So this is a brush that I want to add, so you simply need to select that, and it is free, so you simply need to click your free download. Wait for a few seconds so that it will complete the download. So here you can see option of start download. Click here. Okay, so now you need to click on OK. Go back again, click here and click on downloads, and here you can see the brushes. So you simply need to, this is a zip file, you simply need to extract all. Click here, and now it is extracted. Now you need to come back and open Photoshop, and here you need to come here and find the option of brush tool, and then you need to click here and click on this icon, and here you can see different options. Click on import brushes, go into the downloads, compress, select that brush, and click on select again, and now you can see that that brush is now load here, and you can use that brush wherever you want on your project. So this is a process that you need to follow. I hope you like this video. Thank you.